In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Gems in NotebookLM. We'll start by gathering and generating insights in NotebookLM, then refine that output using a custom gem in Gemini to create polished learning materials. Begin by heading to Google and searching for NotebookLM. From the results, open the official Google page for the NotebookLM AI research tool and thinking partner. On that page, select Try NotebookLM to launch the app. NotebookLM is designed to help you work directly with your own sources, so once you're in, either create a new notebook or open one you've already started. Inside your notebook, choose Add Sources. Bring in the materials you want to analyze. These could be documents, PDFs, or links you're studying. Clear, relevant sources make the model's responses stronger, so think about what you want to learn or teach and add only what supports that goal. It also helps to give your sources descriptive names so you can easily reference them later. With your sources added, you're ready to generate content. In the chat, you can ask NotebookLM to summarize the material, explain a lesson, or create key points. Keep your prompts straightforward, like summarize this, explain this lesson, or create key points. If you're aiming for a certain style or audience, mention that in your request and consider asking it to cite where ideas come from so you can double-check details. Read the response to ensure it captures the main ideas you need. Next, copy the output you like. You can grab a full summary or just the sections that really work. Aim to keep the text clean and focused. This will make your next step smoother. Now open Google Gemini. From there, go into Gems. Think of a gem as a reusable set of instructions that shapes how Gemini responds. Select an existing gem or create a new one tailored to your task. Something like Lesson Design Helper or Student-Friendly Explainer can keep your workflow organized. Paste the NotebookLM output into Gemini and let your gem refine it. Ask it to improve the explanation for clarity, convert the content into a structured lesson plan with objectives and activities, turn it into a quiz with answers, or simplify the language for students. If you need a specific grade level, time frame, or tone, include that in your request so the gem can format the output to match your needs. You can iterate by asking for tweaks until it's just right. That's the workflow. Collect and generate insights with NotebookLM, then elevate and tailor them with your Gemini gem. Use this combo to move from raw notes to ready-to-use educational materials quickly and confidently.